So there's a wholesaler that I've done a deal with before in Atlanta. So he reached out to me and he said, hey, Nate, I have a seller who wants to sell for cash, but he wants someone to go through before we have it under contract. So I was like, okay, this happens sometimes. You know, we work with people where they don't want to just lock something up immediately before they kind of know what they can pay. So he's like, can you go see it? So I reached out to one of my cash buyers that I'm close with, and I said, hey, come with me to see this house. I don't have it under contract. Just run your numbers while I'm there talking to the seller. We'll say we work together because we do, and tell me what you'll pay, and I'll try to get it for 10K, 15K less than what you'll pay.
Pre-sell it. Yeah.
Yeah. So we went there together. He's walking through the house while I'm talking to the seller. I say, hey, this is the guy who's going to flip the house. I'm the one that, you know, negotiates and gets it done. And the guy's like, okay, cool. So we walk out. The guy sees the buyer sees the house, cash buyer. We walk outside. He tells me he's going to be around 340. So right now I have a solid cash offer, and all I have to do is the seller drove away because we said, hey, we'll make our final offer. And now I know where my legit solid offer is. And it took me 30 minutes, you know, of just bringing someone, letting know what they paid. Now, you know, the other traditional way is to just blast out to as many people as you can, just get lucky. For me, it's not really worth my time right now to just lock it up and just hopefully someone will pay more. I'm like, let's just go see. And we'll make our offer. I'll do it like 325, 15K. It gets accepted. It's already sold by now. So it's just something for people who might be a little more hesitant to just lock up something without knowing. Just bring your cash buyer with you. If you go to the property, tell them to tell you what they pay. And it's as easy as that.